Hello everybody. In this video I will talk about conditional statement in Python. Conditional statements are vital component of programming language. When we have to make some decision on the basis of some condition, in that case we will be using conditional statement. For example, we want to check the day. If it is Sunday, then we will watch movie. If it is not Sunday, we will do something else. So there is a condition of checking day, whether the day is Sunday or not. So how to do this in Python? Let's see. Let's suppose declare a variable day. Suppose we have a variable day and we are assigning Sunday to this variable day. Now we will use the if statement. If, then condition, if day is equal to Sunday, then what we have to do? We will be displaying print watch movie. If it is not Sunday, if the day is something different from Sunday, then we will write, okay, go to work. Simple. Let's save this. Now, what is happening here is we have declared a variable day and assigned Sunday to it, and then we are using the if statement to check if the value of this day, this variable day, is Sunday or not. If this variable day contains Sunday, this condition evaluates to true and this print statement will be displayed. Otherwise, if this condition is not true, then we will see go to work statement. Okay, now let's execute this. I've already saved this. Remove this. Okay, let's run this. Run module. Now we can see watch movie. So this is a simple if statement. Okay, in this way we can use the Python if to check if the condition is satisfied or not, and what we have to do if the condition is satisfied, and what we have to do if the condition is not satisfied. Now let's do something different. Now let's take input from user. Input enter day. Okay, now we will check if the day is Sunday. Now here user can type value in upper lowercase. In any case, that is possible. So what we do is, what I will do here is, I will convert this day to this variable to upper. Okay, and this Sunday upper, and I will make this upper. Okay, fine. Now if the value provided by user is Sunday, whatever case user has written, no problem, because we are converting this user provided string to the uppercase using this method. Oh, I forgot to use this package. Upper is a method, string method, that will convert all the letters of string to uppercase. Okay, now the value that been provided by user will be converted into uppercase, and if that value is equal to this Sunday in the uppercase, then we will see watch movie. Otherwise we will see go to work. Okay, now let's set this. Now run this. Now enter day Sunday. Now watch movie. You can see I've written Sunday, yes, with capital, other letters in small. Even we are getting watch movie because this whole word Sunday, that is converted to uppercase using this upper method, and here the value we are provided is in uppercase. So this uppercase, and Sunday, so equal, we are getting watch movie. Okay, now we can use more dates, we can use more ifs. If, okay, what I can do is, instead of doing this, I can day is equal to, I can do this. I can directly convert this one day to upper here, and this I remove upper here. Now else if day is equal to Monday, then what are we supposed to do? Print read books. Okay, else if day is equal to WEDNES minus day, then what are we supposed to do? Print okay, go to shop. Okay, simple. Now we have used three ifs. If the day is Sunday, then watch movie will appear. If there is Monday, read books will appear. If there is Wednesday, go to shop. Otherwise, none of these days meet, none of these condition, first, second, third, none of these met, then we will be displayed go to work. Okay, now let's execute this. I've saved it. Now run this module. Now you can say enter day. Now let's write Wednesday, WD NES day. Okay, now you can see go to shop. This Wednesday is written in small letter, capital letter combination, but what I have done is the value taken from user is stored within day, and I casted all the letters of this day variable to uppercase and assigned to day itself. So all the values in day will appear in uppercase, and we are checking these values whether these values are equal to string given in uppercase or not. So in this way we can use if else statement to do decisions, to check the condition, and if the condition is right, then we can do the decisions. Okay, in this way we can write a simple if statement. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.